How to end tinnitus/tinnitus relief. Imagine a world where the persistent ringing in your ears fades away, where the tranquility around you is no longer interrupted by the incessant noise within you. This transformation is within your reach with Quietum Plus, a revolutionary medication developed to silence the discomforting companion of ear ringing. Quietum Plus is the result of years of dedicated research, offering hope for those afflicted by ear ringing. Its unique formulation targets the root causes of the problem, providing not just temporary relief but a lasting solution. Created by a team of leading experts in audiology and pharmacology, Quietum Plus harnesses the power of advanced technology combined with natural compounds. This potent combination works in synergy to restore harmony to your auditory senses, effectively quieting the persistent ringing that once dominated your world. The effectiveness of Quietum Plus has been demonstrated in extensive clinical trials, where participants reported a notable reduction in ear ringing symptoms within a short period. Its gentle yet powerful action not only reduces the noise but also promotes a sense of calm and clarity. Furthermore, this innovative medication has no side effects, ensuring a safe and comfortable journey toward a quieter, more peaceful existence. Embrace the freedom from incessant noise and rediscover the joy of silence with Quietum Plus. Take the first step to liberate yourself from ear ringing, experience the transformation that Quietum Plus offers, and regain the serenity of a life free from persistent ear ringing. But first, I have a crucial alert to share with you. Quietum Plus is not sold on any other websites except the official site. Quietum Plus has become extremely popular, and there are many people selling counterfeit versions on fake websites online. To assist you, I'll leave the link to the official Quietum Plus website, the only place where you should order Quietum Plus to truly obtain the original product and benefit from it, just as I mentioned that Quietum Plus will offer relief to those suffering from ear ringing.